Well, workday's done. It gets dark at 4:30 here down in wintertime in this very southern hemisphere. So it seems later than it is. I didn't get in until 3:30 last night. Probably didn't get to bed until 4:30. Slept until, I don't know, 11 or something. Went to work at 1. Got done at 5:30. Pretty short day. Now we're going to do like New Zealanders do and go around to the pub. Here's how that goes. Didn't do much of a motel room tour. Just a little sitting area, bed, little dinette area over here. It's actually got a fairly full kitchen, cooktop, refrigerator, microwave. Don't really need any of that stuff. The door, so you don't get confused which way's out. It says exit right there. Bathroom, whirlpool tub, which is nice. And then this is the way to the pub. First we have to get our key out. It gets dark in here when that happens. We're locked in. There we go. Little aisleway here. Spent a lot of time outside, huh?
Yeah.
And this is the pub right here. Not a very far walk. Oh, that's a liquor store right there. It's like a wanker convention here. A multitude of different things going on. So back over that thing there of off-track betting. There's some slot machines in the back room too. Not sure what's up with that. Alright, at least I went for the pan-fried fish instead of the deep-fried fish. Some salad, tartar sauce. Pretend like you don't see these fries. Those aren't there. Lock them there. And a little bit of Guinness. And still a bunch of wanky. Hey, we're just getting started in New Zealand. There'll be more food and travel coming up. It's the Biker. I'm out.